What's up, YouTube? We have a mod today. We have an NRG steering wheel. Went with the black with the red stitching. We got our Boss kit right here, and yeah, I guess let's pry this off. And then it should be what I heard is a 17. I already disconnected the negative because I don't want the horn going off. So let's hop in. Pulled the truck into the grass just because there's some shade. Okay, that just popped right off. Boom, there you go. Make sure the wheels are straight. I already straightened them. Let's see if we can get enough leverage to get this bad boy off. Okay, well, let's see. There we go. Oh, that was close. So you can see the steering wheel. The wheels are definitely straight. The steering wheel is a little to the left. As long as the wheels are straight, we're good. Alright, it is a little windy today, so I'm assuming that this mic might help. Let's see. Oh, wiggled it back and forth. Didn't punch myself in the face. Mosquito. I don't know what's up with my backyard. Like, I get it treated, get it taken care of. It's just like a mosquito magnet.
Nice.
All right, to the top. Check the wheels. Wheels are straight. Let's go put our nut back on. Alright, apparently it's 3 to 4 kilograms, which is about, what, 2.2, so 6 to 8. So we could put this at 7 foot-pounds. I don't even know if that goes down that far. So 7. Shoot, I don't even know if this is gonna give me a click. All right, well, 7 foot-pounds of torque as best as we can. Alright, we're just gonna do the same thing the other guy did on the other video. He just taped it. So we're gonna tape it, and then we'll eventually run a wire through the steering column to wherever it needs to go. Damn, this is definitely not the right way to do it, but God, I don't even know if this is gonna hold with the heat, but probably not. Probably gonna give me an intermittent issues. This looks so much cleaner. You know what? It's fine. There's no airbag anyway. Fuck it. Alright, well that kind of confirmed my suspicions about the DJI Osmo Nano. It just overheated, so you can see I haven't put the carpet back in. I did see a video where someone put real carpet from Home Depot in, so I think I'm going to buy a piece of carpet, trace the template, cut it out, and then put real carpet in, which will be awesome. But we installed the NRG steering wheel today. We put on the Boss hub. We put the NRG steering wheel on. We decided not to go with the cover that goes over the horn. I mean, there's no airbag anyway, so the horn will just sit here and be fine. I ghettofied it, so I just taped the ground there, and I'm gonna come back and run a wire. Gonna have to come back and run a wire somewhere from the chassis to the horn. But yeah, it looks great, feels great. Here's the old one for reference. But yeah, that's it. Pretty easy. The main nut was a 17. Then I just torqued that down to 3 to 4 kilograms foot-pounds, which is like 6 to 8 something. Installed these Allen bolts, and I disconnected the negative power cable. Otherwise you're just going to be honking your horn the whole time. So I'm just going to hook it back up and might drive around the neighborhood a little, because she's still not registered. So I'm waiting to hear back, and I'll see y'all on the next one.